Here we are at 1206 Seabird Way. First bedroom to the left has a queen size bed. Closet. We have a cleaner closet in here. We'll make that look nicer. And then we have a bathroom in here. Downstairs. That goes to the outside. Here's the kitchen. Hi, Anna.
Hello.
Here's a living room, the living room. And then we have appliances. And then we have the garage. This is to open it. Here's the water heater. Here are the trash cans. We're gonna go outside. We have the pool and jacuzzi. Here's a little pergola, grill. Again, here are the trash cans in the garage back there. And then back here we have the Pentair. This is the water, the spa and pool equipment. We'll make other videos on how to use all that. And then this is the air conditioning unit. Okay, now we're gonna go upstairs. Immediately to the right, we have a washer and dryer here with a sink. And then here we have bedroom. This is actually the only king size bed, but there is a king size bed. This is the only one. Closet. And then here is a bathroom, Bathroom in here. And then another bedroom. Closet. It's another bedroom. Storage. Here's another living room area. And then their balcony. Here's the thermostat. And then here's the master bedroom. That is a queen though, that's a queen. And then bathroom, walk-in closet, the big jacuzzi, walk-in shower, and another walk-in closet. And that's the whole house.